Customer centricity is the way we do business at PLI. Commercial excellence is a best practice to generate sustainable volume and value growth through a customer-centric approach. To achieve it, we have developed a very clear business vision in a way that improves our commercial efficiency and focuses on our ability to sell effectively, make profit, and deliver what we say we will. This is how it's done.
Essentially, our approach to commercial excellence entails 4 steps. First, we have to have a clear and complete, I would say intimate understanding of our customers. Second, we have to segment them based on value and their needs. Third, we have to create a tailor-made service package that fulfills those needs and give them the ability to win on their market. Fourth, we have to deliver this package effectively and efficiently through the right route-to-market strategy. In the next few minutes, we will discover together a practical example of route-to-market and what are the ideas and the practices behind it.
As the market competition nowadays is intense, excelling in a wide geographic range can be challenging. We must prioritize where we want to play. Typically in the city, the competition is more intense, whereas in the rural areas, the competition is much lesser. Unfortunately, the cost to serve is much higher in the rural areas due to lower density. In order to prioritize, we typically have to make a trade-off between ability to win and cost to serve based on geography and typology. This will define where we play. Once the battlefield is decided, we need to accurately map out our existing and potential customer universe and typology in those areas. Each of the outlet is geocoded with its GPS coordinates. Pertinent information about that customer is also recorded, such as outlet type and scale, services, choice of lubricant, and channel needs. This typically requires a physical visit to the outlets to validate the accuracy of our information. After collection, all the outlets are classified based on typology and their information is stored in a centralized database. Behind every outlet, there is a customer, and different customers have different business needs. Whether they are a large chain retailer or a small independent business owner, we need to clearly understand their needs and desires in order to provide them with the right support and incentives. The key task of our marketing team is to develop a tailor-made package based on the needs of each cluster. The tailored service package must at the least include a suitable product range, competitive pricing, incentive programs, merchandising material, and value-added services like training. The value of the package must be dimensioned according to the economic value that the customer brings to us. But in any case, our package must be dynamic enough to help them win against their competitors. So how do we execute an effective route-to-market strategy? First of all, we will need to equip our sales force with the right technological tools. For example, a route-generating software generates a day-to-day routing plan that defines the daily routine for each salesperson. This plan is then loaded into the Salesforce Automation or SFA tool. The SFA is a mobile device that helps to drive an efficient beat plan. Contains presentations on tailored service packages. Captures orders and collects key channel data. SFA has an application that synchronizes with the Distributor Management System or DMS used by the sales managers to view real-time Salesforce performance, customer information, and their buying patterns. This allows the managers to plan and intervene when needed. Getting the right partner is important to ensure the successful implementation of a route-to-market strategy. Hence, we should create a relationship that is mutually beneficial in the long term and one that will help both parties win. To achieve that, our customers' value proposition must be superior to our competitors and one that provides comprehensive market intelligence, tailored service packages and incentives for their customers, regular training for distributors' sales reps, effective route planning with extensive market coverage, complete control of sales force. At the same time, our distributors will collaborate with Petronas to create a growth plan and prospects list together by being transparent in their sellout and stock, having direct ownership through co-investment, establishing a dedicated sales force which is fully committed in selling and promoting Petronas lubricants. Remember that success only happens when we work together, and together we win. One of the key enablers to victory is training. We need to provide adequate training to equip our internal and external sales reps, including the mechanics and workshop owners, with the right skills and knowledge to win in the battle. Topics at the least should include some basic knowledge of our brand and products, Salesforce tools and system, steps to take when visiting the customer, tailored service packages, and how to handle customer objection. Subsequently, it is essential to provide support to the sales reps through periodic in-field feedback and coaching. Now that everything is in place, the sales reps are ready to commence their field operation. Let's take a look at what a typical day looks like. At the start of the day, the sales reps would use the Salesforce automation system to check their routing plan for the day. Upon arrival at the location, they are able to check in to the outlet to immediately access and view the outlet's information, past orders made, and previous visits action log. They will then check the inventory at each outlet and record the information into the system. The SFA is preloaded with all the materials needed to help the sales reps effectively present the TSP that our marketing team has prepared to the customer. The tool allows the sales reps to instantly key in and confirm the orders made by the customer. Before they leave the outlet, they will review the action log and key in any new remarks from that visit. Finally, they will check out of the system to complete the outlet visit. The time taken at each outlet is automatically captured by the tool. These steps will be repeated at multiple outlets within the same day as they work on the go with seamless mobility and real-time results. At the end of each day, the data is synchronized and updated into the central database. The Petronas sales managers and the distributor sales managers are able to view the sales performance of each sales rep on a real-time basis using the distributor management system. This gives him the opportunity to respond to issues and provide support on a timely basis. Through consistent practice of commercial excellence, you can expect to streamline sales forecast, increase sales revenue, and reduce administrative processes. It is proven in increasing market penetration, exploring untapped markets, and enhancing brand loyalty with your distributors while driving sales volume and profits.
Now you understand how a best practice route to market works. However, implementation is not easy. It's like a clock, a beautiful and complex mechanism. If one component fails, the whole system is compromised. To be successful, it's crucial for all the parties involved to demonstrate focused execution.